Bell peppers are full of surprises. For instance, their color not only serves as an indicator of ripeness, but also of nutritional content, with red peppers being the most nutrient-rich. This part of the video will uncover intriguing facts about bell peppers, such as their history, unusual uses, and the science behind their vibrant colors and flavors. Did you know that bell peppers are actually fruits but are commonly treated as vegetables in culinary contexts? Or that they have been used in medicinal practices to improve digestive health and reduce cholesterol? Concluding our journey, the story of bell peppers is a testament to the synergy between traditional agricultural methods and modern technological advancements. This narrative not only enhances our appreciation for bell peppers, but also underscores the importance of sustainable practices in modern agriculture. From the field to your fork, the bell pepper travels a long and complex journey, touching numerous lives and industries along the way. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of bell peppers. This story is just one example of how traditional crops are integral to both our diet and the global economy, showcasing the innovative approaches that ensure the sustainability and efficiency of food production around the world. Stay tuned for more insights into how other familiar foods are produced, processed, and brought to our tables. Welcome to our vibrant journey through the world of bell peppers, a staple in kitchens worldwide and a marvel of agricultural science. Today, we'll dive deep into the life cycle of bell peppers from seed to supermarket, uncovering the meticulous processes that ensure each pepper is perfect for your plate. Whether you're a food lover or a curious mind, this exploration will offer a fresh perspective on a familiar vegetable, highlighting how these peppers are cultivated on a massive scale to meet global demands. Their integral role in a balanced diet, given their high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties, positions them as an essential part of healthy eating practices worldwide. Join us as we explore the bell pepper, scientifically known as Capsicum annuum, renowned not only for its culinary versatility but also for its significant role in various industries such as food, medicine, and cosmetics. Bell peppers, with their rich vitamin content and array of colors, enhance dishes around the world while also providing essential nutrients. This introduction sets the stage for a comprehensive look at how bell peppers impact our health and culinary cultures, from vibrant reds that enhance the visual appeal of dishes to green peppers that are a staple in stir-fries and salads, providing flavor and crunch. Bell peppers originate from the Americas, with evidence of their cultivation dating back to 5000 BC in Mexico, showcasing their long-standing presence in human agriculture. These adaptable plants thrive in warm climates, but have been successfully cultivated in a diverse range of environmental conditions worldwide. Their ability to adapt to various climates has made them a staple in gardens and farms from the Americas to Europe and Asia, reflecting their global agricultural significance. This adaptability is critical to understanding the spread and cultivation of bell peppers across various continents, adapting to local climates and integrating into traditional dishes around the world. Bell peppers are celebrated globally for their adaptability to diverse climates, which has been integral to their cultivation in various geographical regions. This adaptability makes them particularly suitable for sustainable agricultural practices, including xeriscaping, which conserves water and is crucial in arid regions. The global cultivation of bell peppers not only supports environmental sustainability but also promotes economic stability in agricultural communities by providing a reliable crop that can be grown in many different conditions. The widespread cultivation is also a testament to the global trade and exchange of agricultural techniques and innovations that have allowed bell peppers to become a global kitchen staple. Growing bell peppers at home is becoming increasingly popular among gardening enthusiasts and those seeking to add fresh produce to their diets directly from their own gardens or indoor setups. Domestic cultivation of bell peppers can be highly rewarding. It allows for control over the growing environment, ensuring that the peppers are free from harmful pesticides. Indoor cultivation typically involves using pots or containers with proper drainage and placing them in areas that receive ample sunlight, such as windowsills or under grow lights. Regular watering and occasional fertilization with a balanced, vegetable-specific nutrient solution can lead to a fruitful yield even on a small scale. This practice not only brings fresh flavors to the kitchen, but also adds a decorative element to the home with the plant's vibrant colors. Bell peppers are extensively used beyond the culinary world. They play significant roles in the pharmaceutical industry due to their high levels of vitamins and antioxidants, and are utilized in the cosmetics industry for their vibrant pigments. These uses highlight the crop's commercial viability and ecological benefits, as bell peppers can be grown in ways that reduce environmental impact while still providing significant economic returns. Additionally, their extracts are used in skincare products to harness their antioxidant properties, which help in combating skin aging and sun damage. The cultivation of bell peppers begins with the selection of the right variety, which can vary from sweet to hot and come in colors like red, yellow, or green. Optimal cultivation requires well-drained soil and adequate sunlight, coupled with precise water management to prevent diseases and promote healthy growth. Farmers also need to manage nutrients effectively, often using organic methods to enrich the soil and boost plant health without the use of harmful chemicals. The choice of variety not only affects the flavor and color, but also the plant's resistance to diseases and pests, influencing yield and quality. The harvesting of bell peppers is timed to ensure the fruits are picked at peak ripeness, which maximizes their flavor and nutritional value. Post-harvest processes are equally important. They include immediate cooling and careful handling to maintain the pepper's freshness during transportation. These steps are critical to extending the shelf life of the peppers and ensuring they arrive in markets in the best possible condition, involving sophisticated logistics and storage facilities that control temperature and humidity to maintain freshness. Bell peppers undergo various processing methods to extend their shelf life and enhance their usability in different culinary contexts. After harvesting, bell peppers can be processed through drying, freezing, or canning, each method serving distinct purposes. Drying involves dehydrating the peppers to remove moisture, which concentrates their flavors and allows for long-term storage without refrigeration. Freezing is another popular method, which preserves the pepper's nutritional value and texture for use in cooked dishes. Canning, meanwhile, involves preserving the peppers in a vinegar or brine solution, often with spices added for enhanced flavor. These processing techniques not only make bell peppers available year-round, but also provide convenient options for quick meal preparation, catering to the modern consumer's lifestyle. Bell peppers are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, used in everything from fresh salads to cooked dishes. They can be roasted to enhance their sweetness or stuffed with various fillings as a hearty meal. Exploring the culinary uses of bell peppers reveals their ability to complement a wide range of flavors, making them a favorite ingredient in diverse cuisines worldwide. Their ability to be eaten both raw and cooked allows chefs and home cooks to utilize them in a myriad of ways, from garnishes to main components of dishes. The economic impact of bell pepper cultivation is profound, particularly in regions where they are a major agricultural product. Bell peppers contribute significantly to the economies of countries where they are grown, supporting thousands of jobs in farming, processing, and distribution. This section will delve into how bell peppers influence global trade and the economic dynamics of agricultural communities, including the role of bell peppers in international markets and their impact on trade balances and agricultural policies.